Hi, this is Colin Brick Builders. Today we'll be building Robin versus Bane of the Mighty Micros. There are 2 bags and there are 2 instruction booklets. Let's get this party started. This is Robin vs Bane set fully built. I hope you enjoyed it.